It's time for the Frontier to step out from the shadows of the midsize pickup truck giants and become one of the segment leaders. And it's happening with tons of changes the new model introduced. The all-new 2025 Nissan Frontier is going to stun everybody with the game-changing upgrades we'll unveil in this video. Exterior redesign and new color palette. With so many changes all around the truck, it's tough to know where to begin. The performance is the key for pickup trucks, but the exterior is the first thing that catches your eye, so let's take a look at the updates the new Frontier has to offer. The 2025 Nissan Frontier sees an impactful refresh that enhances its rugged appeal while keeping the recognizable design of the current generation. This year's truck comes out with a revised grille and front bumper. Compared to its predecessor, the new Frontier looks more aggressive. More changes are evident on the Pro X and Pro 4X trims, where fans can find newly designed wheels that perfectly blend into the truck's off-road capabilities. We're not done yet with exterior refreshments, and these changes are only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the full range of updates. The truck now comes in a new paint option called Afterburn Orange. While a revised color palette might seem like a minor detail, this bold new hue makes a strong statement to the Frontier. It seamlessly complements the truck's aggressive exterior and fresh design. Despite these updates, the Frontier remains slightly smaller than its direct rivals in the midsize pickup segment. However, the difference is subtle and hardly noticeable, particularly when the capabilities are put to the test. Also, the truck features short and long bed configurations unlike most rivals. Speaking of box features, Nissan offers a utility-track channel system. This innovative cargo management features 5 bed-mounted rails and adjustable tie-down cleats, allowing you to safely transport a wide variety of items. On the other hand, the Frontier sticks to a body-on-frame platform, while some competitors like the Honda Ridgeline are using a unibody architecture that blurs the line between a truck and a crossover. These are the biggest exterior changes and most important upgrades, and more is yet to come. Stay tuned, we're moving to the interior where the most important changes are waiting. Interior revisit and new tech. The 2025 Nissan Frontier isn't just making waves with its exterior updates. The interior has received a significant overhaul as well, aimed at enhancing both comfort and technology. Stepping into the cabin, you'll immediately feel the change, and the first thing you'll spot is a larger 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. Well, it's optional for the base grade but comes standard at higher trims. The high-resolution display is not only drawing attention but is also very functional, providing easy access to all of the truck's controls and settings. Wireless Android Auto is now standard across all trims, eliminating the need for cords and allowing for seamless connectivity. For those who are concerned about visibility, the new 360-degree exterior camera system brings peace of mind. Available on higher trims, it provides a bird's-eye view of the surroundings, perfect for maneuvering tight spaces. The tilt and telescopic steering wheel is now standard, and the overall convenience is enhanced at higher grades with the introduction of two-way power lumbar adjustments for the driver's seat. The zero-gravity heated seats, inspired by NASA technology, are designed to minimize pressure on the body and provide exceptional comfort, especially during cold weather. The Frontier also takes a leap forward in safety with an expanded suite of standard driver assistance technologies, part of Nissan's intelligent mobility package. For the 2025 model, lane departure warning, automatic high beam headlamps, and adaptive cruise control are all there for the Frontier S. So the company has wrapped the new truck in a fresh exterior, and now that we've explored the interior as well, there's much to admire. But many enthusiasts will say that only performance matters. Don't worry, coming up next, we'll check these upgrades. Drivetrain revisit and towing capacity improvements. The 2025 Nissan Frontier continues to build on the hardy foundation with notable upgrades. The truck still uses a 3.8-liter V6, a proven drivetrain with well-known reliability. It shines in both driving experience and durability. The 3.8 V6, known for its solid performance and longevity, remains the cornerstone of the Frontier's status. Could it be better? Of course. The new Frontier comes with increased towing capacity, and the truck can now haul up to 7,150 pounds, which represents a significant boost of 510 pounds over the previous model. Such an enhancement makes the pickup more competitive in the midsize market, although it still falls short compared to the 7,700-pound towing capacities of GM's trucks. Sadly, enthusiasts were disappointed with the payload, staying put at 1,610 pounds. While the towing boost is welcome, the lack of increase in payload capacity means that the Frontier might not fully meet the needs of those requiring maximum capability. Engineers didn't enhance engine outputs. The V6 is still producing 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. The 9-speed automatic transmission provides smooth and responsive gear shifts, much better than its predecessor, a lazy CVT. The gearbox will also improve both the highway cruising experience and off-road adventuring. Rear-wheel drive is standard and four-wheel drive is optional. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 2025 Frontier continues to perform reasonably well. The truck averages around 18 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway. Ratings are a bit worse if you select four-wheel drive. These figures are competitive within the segment, but they're not breathtaking, especially since competitors like the Toyota Tacoma are deploying a hybrid option. While the current 3.8 V6 engine has its strengths, some downsides can be fixed by such a powertrain. Hybrid systems are gradually making their way into the truck market, with models like the Toyota Tacoma, the larger Tundra, and Ford F-150 already offering modern setups. Nissan has been exploring new options, but as of now, there are no immediate plans to introduce a hybrid Frontier. Even if the company decides to move forward with this model, its debut is not happening so soon. The Frontier is becoming one of the rare V6 pickups in the mid-size class, as many other truck makers have switched to Turbo 4 engines, but Nissan holds a unique advantage in reserve: off-road capability. Sometimes the best way to improve is to not touch anything. That is how we can describe the Frontier's position on the off-road truck map. While the V6 engine remains unchanged, the pickup has become a more attractive choice for adventure seekers, especially as competitors have downgraded their models to 4-cylinder drivetrains. Even turbocharged, such systems usually struggle with low-end torque, although they emphasize high-end power. With the V6, that is not the case, with a more consistent and dependable power delivery across a wider range of RPMs. So, 6 cylinders will lure enthusiasts, but there are other upgrades that make the 2025 Frontier one of the best off-road trucks. For example, the 4-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability. Specialized packages are designed for serious off-road tasks, and Nissan offers Pro X and Pro 4X versions. The main difference is in the 4-wheel drive, which is standard on the latter. The Pro X package includes an upgraded suspension and off-road tires, while the Pro 4X adds top-of-the-shelf parts for the toughest situations: skid plates, built-in shocks, and an electronically controlled locking rear differential. Customization is another area where the Frontier shines. The new truck offers fresh wheel designs for Pro X and Pro 4X models. Beyond the factory options, buyers can explore a wide range of aftermarket modifications to further modify the truck's look and capabilities. Still, Nissan provides a wide range of customization options for the Frontier, including various trim levels and optional packages and parts. Here's what you can choose from their assortment: grades and price. The Frontier S is the base grade, practical and functional, providing the best value for money invested in this truck. It offers the essential features needed for work and everyday use. Of course, many truckers won't save cash to boost the comfort, pack extra tech, or just make the Frontier look better. Unfortunately, no money can buy a 6-foot bed, which is unavailable on the entry-level version. Moving up, the SV trim grants access to additional options. A 6-foot bed and 2-way power lumbar adjustments are just a couple of them. The SV also upgrades the base version with 17-inch alloy wheels and body-colored bumpers. For added convenience, might also considering adding rubber floor mats and side steps, essential accessories that many truckers find indispensable. The Frontier SL is the premium configuration, positioned above the Pro 4X. Unique wheels, signature headlights, and LED fog lamps make this trim so special. Many of the optional features, such as a 12.3-inch screen and 360-degree camera, are standard with the SL package. Leather seats and chrome exterior details are making this version distinctive from the rest of the lineup. Nissan is also expected to introduce another special package later this year as part of the first update to the Frontier lineup. This new grade needs to bring a unique set of features and enhancements, adding even more options for fans and buyers like the hardbody edition did for the 2024 model. The truck comes at a higher price, now starting at $33,000 for the S model, but this is justified by the numerous features and upgrades we've discussed. True truckers will value the increased towing capacity as a crucial upgrade for improved work performance, while others will appreciate the fresh look or upgraded tech. The SV is still a reasonable upgrade for just $2,000 over the entry price, while the premium SL goes over $43,000. The standard off-road configuration, Pro X, costs just under $40,000, while the Pro 4X adds $3,000 for 4-wheel drive and a few other upgrades. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.